you gonna do?
I'm cleaning up my excavator's wheels. We got this one later today, and we got this one now.
Yeah? Okay, dig them.
And there's some blocks in there. Let me remove that.
Yeah, we're not gonna bring the blocks out to the sand. We're just gonna play with the dump trucks right here, right?
And excavator.
And the excavator truck, right?
Look at that! Look! That's funny.
What is it?
It's a wave.
It's a wave? You made a wave in the
Yeah.
sand?
And I put my leg on together to stabilize it.
To stabilize it?
Yeah.
Okay. Pat, 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 pat. Can I dig?
No, I dig.
You dig?
You be the dump truck.
Okay, I'll be the dump truck.
Dump for that is. You can't do it without it. Look at that tracks, kid.
Wow, there's so many things in here.
Yeah. You remember the ones on the at the dump truck? Yeah, they're out here.
Yeah.
Where all my toys. Yeah, that was like from a month ago.
From like a month ago? Yeah.
Yeah.
What's this little man's name? I think his name should be Tommy.
No, his name is Sack. No, not Sack.
Billy? What about Wonka?
How about Good Roller?
Good Roller.
Yeah. How about that name?
Is that going to be his nickname?
No. Real name.
His real name? Okay. That's a normal nickname. Or real name. Normal real name. Totally. Totally real name. I'm going to be this excavator too. Little one.
That's not excavator, tobacco.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
Are you sure that that's not an excavator?
No, it's just missing the big scooper.
The big scooper?
Yeah.
I mean, it has a scooper, whatever you say.
No, the big scooper. That's called a shovel. That's a shovel. They normally use the shovel a lot.
Okay, whatever you say.
That's why I took it apart.
Are you making tracks?
No, I'm just seeing how well they can fling go. That's how well they can fling go.
Wow.
This can ramp.
These are going to be outside toys now, aren't they?
Yep.
Yep.
No, they're not.
Oh, yep, they are.
No, they're not.
Well, then you're going to have to clean them. What's that? Ah, it's a worm.
No, it's a part of my lizard.
It's a peach.
It's my lizard.
It's part of a lizard?
It's part of my lizard tail.
Oh, man. The snake must have got him.
It's gonna ram.
Oh, no. Rabbit.
Yeah.
Ah.
There's a fence over there, and I have like 2 friends.
Yeah.
There's a big hole.
Wait. What are you talking about?
And the big hole.
There's
there.
a big hole in the fence?
Yeah, and
How is there a big hole in the fence?
because I
Did a transformer come through and smash it?
no.
Then how did it happen?
Could be a dinosaur from a long time ago.
Yeah, I think a dinosaur probably knocked down that fence. What do you think?
Yeah. a long
Yeah.
time ago.
Yeah,
Yeah.
probably.
Yeah. We
Alright.
didn't used to live here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dinosaurs really liked our house, so they lived here, right?
But now they don't.
Back to digging. Get back to work. Bum bum bum.
I'm loosening it up.
Why, thank you for loosening it up. I like to dig. Do you like to dig?
Yeah, I have a bigger scoops, you know.
I don't know. I think my scoop's bigger.
Look how big our scoop scooper
Yeah,
is.
my scooper is giant.
No,
Look at that. Look
mine-
how much sand I just got.
No, this is mine's much more giant.
I think you're lying.
No, look how much sand I
Are
can
you
get.
serious?
Look how much sand
I don't know, man.
Look how much sand I can get. I can get a lot
You can get a lot.
more than you. See how big that thing is?
See how big my thing is? Silly mommy.
I'm making a pipe. I'm making a pipe right here.
You're making a pipe?
Mhm.
That's a good idea. I like making holes for pipes. Look how full our dump truck is. I think it's almost ready to get dumped. What do you think?
Yeah, one more scoop.
Oh!
Oh, it broke off.
Okay, we're gonna dump it.
Hey guys, do you wanna know how it dumps
How's
really?
it dump?
Like by doing this. But
I think Good Roller is a little freaked out right now. He's just floating in air. Ah, what is going on? What is going on?
yeah, it's funny.
Ah, upside down!
Meow, 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 meow.
This is not supposed to happen to
Meow.
me. I'm a construction worker, not a roller coaster tester.
Meow,
What the heck, man? What are you doing? Ah, put me down right this instant. Put me down right this instant.
Flingo bingo. You flingo bingoing.
Wyatt,
What?
why did you throw this on my
I
head?
didn't.
What? Tommy.
You mean Rolly?
Rolly, good Rolly.
roller.
Right. I'm gonna scoop it. I'm gonna scoop it. I'm gonna scoop it. Where's the dump truck? It's disappeared. Where did it? Oh, there it is. We found it.
Oh, behind me, right there.
Oh, give me that one. Give me that one, please. Give that one to me. I like that one. Yeah.
But I still have a bigger scooper.
I don't think so. I think this scooper's gonna beat both of them.
Look how far I can dig in one scoop. That far.
But there's still no more sand in the bucket. I need to see results, Wyatt. Show me your results.
Amanda. That is my result.
All right, dump it. Oh my gosh. Look how much sand's in there now.
It's already full.
Now it's... Oh. It dumped all by itself.
Yeah.
What the heck is Oli? What the guacamole, right?
Whoa. But I'm glad I'm good roller. Rolly. Whoa.
Please put me down, please. What is that? Is that a marble?
Yeah.
Oh.
Dun dun. Oh, where did the ball go? Where did the ball go? Oh. I made a sandcastle.
Oh, cool.
Dun dun.
Ow! Oh man.
Oh, where did the ball go?
It's a marble. It's a marble roller. Oh, a marble. What are you doing? Whoa! Whoa!
Where did the ball go?
Where's the ball? Where did it go?
Ah!
Where is it? It's not in the hole. Where is it?
I feel something. It is
Oh,
the roller!
it was in his butt?
What? Yeah!
I think it was in his shoe.
No, it's in his butt.
Hey kids, do you like Wyatt's haircut?
Yeah, I did it.
Yeah? He did it all by himself.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, it's really great.
Yep.
Mommy was really happy, huh?
I did a little chunk on it.
A giant chunk.
Dun, dun.
Oh, where'd it go? Where's the marble? Oh, there it is.
Ah, it just popped out of nowhere.
Nowhere.
Where's the ball?
Where's the ball?
Hey, I feel something cold.
That's not what you're supposed to say. You're supposed to say, thanks for watching, kittens. We'll make a new video very soon.
Yeah, dump truck is fine.
Can you say bye?
It's a dump truck. Next to it.
Okay, bye, kids. Thanks for watching. Can you say it, Wyatt? Say bye, kids.
Bye, kids.
Bye, kids.
And don't forget to subscribe on the subscribe button.
Yep, hit the little red button for subscription. Subscribe to our show. Yay. Say bye.
Bye.